Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to make a book cover mockup in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, make a selection of the book. After make a selection, press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Now pick a rectangle tool and draw a rectangle to the book size and reduce its opacity and convert it into smart object and press Ctrl T to transform and select distort. Now double click on smart object icon over here and import the design here. For importing the design, go to file, place embedded, and I'm selecting this book cover and place and transform it and hit OK. And now press Ctrl S to save and close this tab. Now change that blend mode to overlay and go to blending options. Break the slider by holding Alt and drag with click and move to the left side and hit OK. And your book cover mockup is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.